What you got for us?
Some desert grub.
About to say, can you not speak?
I'm choking on a corn dog.
What you got in there, bro?
I got some Chester's chicken.
And some wedges. All right.
And some wedgies.
All right, we did not realize that, because we didn't do any research, we just winged this, that where we're at right now is outside of Death Valley, and it's the only towers here for cell phone signal.
It's called Tiz General Store.
Okay.
Tiz General Store.
Okay, and the cell phone towers here are only Verizon, and we have AT&T, so there's zero signal.
Zero.
And Death Valley, there's zero signal. We're going to be straight disconnected, and I'm excited about that, and it's going to be a really fun, unique experience. So we're going the old-fashioned way. We bought a map. Cool, fun experience already. See you in Death Valley. This is our first remote camping. We're off the road a little bit. We're an hour outside of Death Valley National Park, and we're going to sleep in the back with the seats laid down. The stars.
It'll be a surprise view for us because we haven't seen it yet.
Road.
All of our crap's up here. Oh gosh. Good night, everybody.
All right. It's 6:30. Sunrise. About to get after it. We decided not to use the mattress and just sleep on the flat thing like we said. I'll give the sleeping positions about a 4 out of 10. The aches, about a 7 or 8 out of 10. The neck stiffness, about a 9 or 10 out of 10. Limited range of motion right now. I feel like I'm beat up for that, but it doesn't even matter. It'll work itself out. It's fun. Our first remote overnight camping was awesome.
Civilization.
I know.
Stone Pipe Wells Village. Little general store. Oh, there's a restaurant across the street, Aaron. $9.50 for buffet.
$9.50 for all you can eat buffet breakfast.
Oh yeah, baby.
I'm gonna get my calories for the day in when this meal. What do you think about this spot?
It's amazing. I'm just soaking it in.
What's this place called?
We're at Artist Drive. We're in the desert with colorful rocks, but then snow-capped mountains that way. We are in a dried up canyon right now.
Oh my goodness.
Is it awesome?
It stays this level.
What?
And it's wide open.
So this was a waterfall.
Baby.
Aaron, this was a waterfall.
Food.
First one's in here.
First one's in. I need all this food in my belly.
Lunch with a view.
Yep, lunch with you. So this is really cool. We're on the eastern side of Sierra Nevadas, and I was telling her, like, we live in Fresno, which is basically directly over those mountains, and I looked it up on the map, and we literally, if we just walk straight over those mountains, we'd be in Fresno.
It's so awesome because on the way home from work every single day we drive and look at these mountains from the other side.
We are in Alabama Hills. We're looking at the Sierra Nevadas. We got this little cave we found on these rocks. And that's our view here. Let me spin it around for you. That's what we're staring at. We're gonna enjoy this time a little bit, hang out here and just lay around. Think about life. Just peaceful.
Mm-hmm.